Want to know how to add a friend to party in Paladins? So if you want to create and add your friends into a party that you have created, this video is for you. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you open it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing this friends icon right here. That should be right beside notifications. Just simply select it. Now once you have selected this friends icon here, you should be seeing directly under friends that you had sent requests to or the people that have accepted your request. So right beside it, you should be seeing party right here. Just simply select it. And right here, you should be seeing this plus icon, that is add friend to party, or you can just simply invite by name and invite your friends, and your friends should show on the right side right here. So you can just simply select this plus icon and you can just simply select where to invite your party, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped, because I easily invite your friends into your own party. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.